quieter across our area now, but tomorrow evening we may be dealing with some severe storms. We're still 82 right now in Oak Ridge. Tellico Plains, Maryville, Knoxville, Dandridge, Newport, all still sitting at 80 degrees. And then you factor in the humidity and yeah, it's pretty uncomfortable, sticky to tropical for just about everybody across the board. Again, with all this moisture in the atmosphere, it's not going to cool off that quickly. Most are going to still hover in the low 70s as we go overnight into early Friday. Then with some early sunshine, it will warm quickly tomorrow. Low 90s, a pretty good bet for a majority of the area, with a few mid to upper 80s along the plateau into Kentucky. But notice when we factor in the humidity, those readings are going to feel more like upper 90s, close to triple digits again tomorrow. Not all day, mainly between about 1 and 4 p.m., because after that, shower and storm chances are going to be moving into the areas. I showed you a level 2 out of 5 risk for severe storms. Higher the number, higher the risk. So we're in that low to medium or elevated risk for severe thunderstorms tomorrow. Kind of the timing we're thinking of these storms moving through the area. Damaging wind gust, our main concern. Hail, maybe up to 1 inch in diameter, and a low threat for tornadoes. Not a zero threat, it's low, but something we will need to monitor. Let's talk about the timing. 7 a.m. is quiet through midday as well. So first part of the day, you got plans. No issues. It would be after lunchtime into the afternoon. We see these pop-up showers and storms. These are the ones that could produce the gusty winds and, of course, maybe some small hail. Lingering through 6 or 7 p.m., and I think the closer we get to sunset and beyond, we're going to be done, and it's much quieter by this time tomorrow night. So, again, a low tornado threat, elevated threat for damaging wind gusts, and a low threat for some hail. Again, not everybody's going to see a severe thunderstorm, but those that do, this is kind of what I would expect to happen. Now, we know tornadoes can produce some very strong winds, right? Up to 200 miles per hour. But thunderstorm winds are strong as well. By definition, National Weather Service issues a severe thunderstorm warning when they're expecting winds to be 58 miles per hour or greater, but they can reach 70 to 80 miles per hour or more at times. So damage can actually be more widespread with severe thunderstorm winds than some tornadoes. But regardless, I say this because if a severe thunderstorm warning is issued, I still want you to take shelter. I want you to be safe, okay? So don't say, hey, it wasn't a tornado warning, it was just a severe thunderstorm warning. They can do just as much damage in some cases, so treat them all the same and be safe. Just by looking at the comfort cast, you can kind of pick out when our rain chances are going to be. Tomorrow, when we're in that tropical feel, a little bit of a dip, a little less humid, but we will be rain-free on Saturday. Back to a chance of storms on Sunday. Maybe a little bit of humidity relief, especially in the morning hours Tuesday and Wednesday. But then we're back to a chance of thunderstorms by Thursday of next week. So again, we'll keep an eye on the storm threat tomorrow afternoon and evening. A break from the rain chances Saturday. That's the better of the 2 days for outdoor plans this weekend. And then we'll keep a close eye on next Thursday with another chance of some thunderstorms. But look at those morning lows Tuesday, Wednesday. At least a little bit of a break from the higher humidity.
And we will take it.